Welcome to our video on 10 legitimate ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for extra cash or a full-time online income, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Freelancing. Put your skills to work and join platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to connect with clients seeking your expertise. From writing and designing to programming and marketing, there's a freelancing opportunity for everyone. Method 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Earn money in your spare time by participating in online surveys or completing microtasks through platforms like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. It's an easy way to make a little extra income. Method 3. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, music, or graphics, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Etsy allow you to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. Method 4. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without the hassle of inventory management. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce enable you to sell products sourced from suppliers, who handle storage, packaging, and shipping. It's a popular and profitable online business model. Method 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Choose products aligned with your niche, and start earning money through your referral links. Method 6. YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel around your passion or expertise. Monetize your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, where you can earn revenue from ads, sponsored content, or merchandise sales. Share your knowledge and entertain while making money online. Method 7. Blogging. Start a blog focused on a specific niche, provide valuable content, and build an audience. Monetize your blog through display ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by selling your products and services. Share your expertise and earn money while doing it. Method 8. Online tutoring or coaching. Share your knowledge and skills by offering online tutoring or coaching services. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Coach.me connect you with students or clients from around the world. Make a difference while earning money online. Method 9. Virtual assistants. Provide remote administrative support, social media management, content creation, or customer service to businesses and professionals. Virtual assistance is in high demand and can be a lucrative online career. Method 10. Stock trading or investing. Engage in stock trading or invest in cryptocurrencies. Educate yourself about market trends, strategies, and risk management. Start with a small,